आज आमी आझाद मैदानाचेर आसा. खऱ्यांनी खूब वायट गजाल घडिल्ली आसात. गेल्या 7 दीस जाले एक ल्हान भुरग्याचो 2 वर्सां अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 2 वर्सां आसतले तेजे फोटो पळयल्या उपरांत अक्षरशः कट केल्ले आसा पीसीस आनी श्रीधांव बिचीचेर उडयल्ले. आनी हे जे श्रीधांव बिचीचेर जेन्ना उडयल्ले तेन्ना काल जेन्ना आमकां पोस्ट पिक्चर सर्क्युलेट जावपाक लागले आमी आयज आक्षी पुलीस स्टेशनान गेले तांकां इन्क्वायरी करपाक की ही केस रजिस्टर जाला काय ना. तेन्ना आमकां कळून आयलें की ही 7 दीस पयलीं केस रजिस्टर जाल्ली आनी पुलिसांनी ती बॉडी काडलेली आनी ताज्या नंतर आमी तांकां विचारलें की ही केस आउट जावंक ना. सो एक प्रश्न येता की एक चेडू भुरगें ताजे कट पीसीस करून उडयल्लीं आसात आनी आमकां ती सेन्सिटिविटीच ना. पुलिशेची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कितें आशिल्ली, पुलिशेची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आशिल्ली हें भायर काडपाक की कोण मनीस म्हणून हें. आयज लोकांक खबर, आयज पुलिशेक खबर सुद्दां ना ती कोणाचें चेडूं म्हणून. म्हणल्यार आयज एक ल्हान भुरग्याचें व्हॅल्यूच ना. आमी यूपी उलयताले, आमी काल यूपीचें उलयताले की यूपी रेप जाली म्हणून हें जालें म्हणून विच इज अ डिस्गस्टिंग थिंग विच इज हॅपन आनी लासले सुद्दां ते चेडवाक दलीत चेडवाक मनीशा म्हणटा ते. पूण आयज गोंयान ही गोश्ट जालेली आसा जी कट पीसीस करून उडयल्ले आसात. इट इज लायक आय मीन I don't have any words. I don't have any words. Can you even imagine तो फोटो पळयल्या उपरांत तुका दुखां गळपाचो प्रश्न येता तांचो. आनी वॉट इज आवर गव्हर्मेंट डुईंग? आय थिंक सो दी लॉ अँड ऑर्डर हॅज बीन कंप्लिटली collapsed. Right now there is no reporting. There is no reporting happening in the police station. What cases is being registered? For everything you need to take a permission from the DGP. So where the system, how the system is running? सो म्हजें एकूच रिक्वेस्ट आसा सरकारा कडेन की प्लीज रिक्वेस्टिंग यू कॅन नॉट से दॅट आमकां हांगासर मेळोंक ना, कंप्लेन येवंक ना, आवाज कळूंक ना म्हणून आमी ही केस दाबून दवरतली. वी आर व्हेरी क्लियर अबाउट इट that the murder has taken place because looking at the things we doubt that there is a slice which has been done. त्याचो पांय पयल्या उपरांत स्लायस केल्ल्या भशेन दिसता, गोवटीत पयल्या स्लायस केल्ल्या भशेन दिसता आनी हें तर स्लायस केल्ल्या भशेन दिसता जाल्यार खंय तरी मर्डर जाल्लो आसा. पूण आयज ते लोकांच्या मदेर येयल्ले ना. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणटा ती पुलीस शूड हॅव अनाउन्स्ड इट. बाबा कोणाचे तरी भुरगे मेळ्ळा हांगा म्हणून, पूण तेंय करून ना पुलिसांनी. म्हणल्यार आतां आमी कितें करपाचें? आमी डावट घेवपाचो कितें खंयचे तरी कितें पॉलिटिकल लिंक आहा, प्रेशर आसा, कितें आहा, हें आमचे बारीक कॉमन मनीस जे आसा पळय तांच्या भितर डावट येता. आनी जरी तर हो डावट क्लियर करपाक जाय सरकारान क्लियर कट स्टेटमेंट येवपाक जाय, सीएमान क्लियर कट, बिकॉज दीस इज अ क्वेश्चन अबाउट वन स्मॉल चाइल्ड which
well, today it's a very sad situation to see that a young girl child, I think so she's less than 2 years old, to see the photograph of her cut body. I'm a mother myself, but today I've got goosebumps when I saw that picture, and it's happening in our very own Goa. And I'm quite shocked that it has not been brought out in media. What are we trying to hide? And on top of that, her picture has only her hands, her legs and her head. The body part is missing. So were her intestines or her liver or her kidney, anything was sold? I mean, whether she's a migrant child, whether she's a Goan child or a non-Goan child, that is secondary, but she's a young girl child who was residing in Goa, and her body to be dumped in pieces near a garbage bin. I mean, it's really heartbreaking. And when Rama told me about it, I said, oh my God, this is like a shocking news. And we are talking about UP. This is happening in our very own Goa. Their girl childs are getting raped, and here our young girls are getting chopped into pieces. You can clearly see. I don't know whether the media will show you all the pictures, but today that thought is in my head, and it's just like, I mean, I'm lost of words being a mother, seeing your child in that particular formation, and asking the cops is to investigate. I mean, no parent has come forward to claim their child or a missing child, or whether the investigation has been on. So requesting the CM to please intervene about this, because this is happening in our very own Goa, and it's a girl child in Goa who has been cut into pieces. I'll say it again, cut into pieces, guys, cut in, and that it's like a brutal murder of that little girl. So please requesting you to please look into this matter, because I don't think anyone is safe here, and we've opened up our borders left, right and center for people to come in. People are coming with tinted glasses. You don't know what can be, which child will be kidnapped and murdered, killed, raped and be thrown out anywhere, or thrown into the sea, and her body will be washed ashore into any of our places over here. So please requesting you all to look into this matter, and this is a very serious case in Goa right now. Thank you.
जे पळय गोंयांत घडला सिरियस क्रायम, आतां आमकां खंयचे गोंयचे गोंयचे कोणशार पयल्यार वयता थिंगा क्रायम वाडत आहा आनी हे पळय गर्ल चायल्डाक पळय जाला भुरग्याक पळय जाला आनी हे जे पळय पुलीस आहा सो इनसेन्सिटीव अगासाय पुलीस न्हू इट्स कमींग ऑन द अगासाय पुलीस ते इन्स्टेड ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग why the child lost his life, why was the child cut to pieces, they are trying to say no, this is not a gone child. How does it matter? A life is lost, a girl child life is lost. So instead of investigating and finding out, getting the post-mortem report and getting the culprits, booking the culprits, they are busy in blame game. They are busy in a blame game, whereas Raman Kandkorkar has been harassed for silly issues. Am I right? False cases are being put. But here the murders are taking place, no case is being filed. Goa is earned a dubious decision of being the crime capital of India. Foreigners are being murdered, locals are being murdered, now kids are getting murdered. Where are we left? What is left of Goa? Complete destruction. There is no control, no law and order.
No media.
The complete collapse of the entire police machinery, which is not interested in investigating the truth, bring out the truth. We want that the girl child must get justice and the culprits must be booked immediately.